students. This is my 5th video on circles. Today's concept is normal. Today's concept is normal. Let us take x-axis and y-axis. Take a circle here. C is the center of circle. The center is minus g comma minus f. Circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And this is the tangent. This is the tangent at P. Tangent at P. What is the normal here? Tangent at P. The line which passes through P and perpendicular to the tangent is called normal. The line which passes through P and perpendicular to the tangent is called normal. This is a normal at P. This is all tangent perpendicular to the tangent is called normal. So the line which passes through P and perpendicular to the tangent is called normal. Now the general equation of circle is circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now here we find equation of normal. We have to find equation of normal. Here see, center is minus g comma minus f. Center is minus g comma minus f. Let p x1 comma y1 be any point on the circle. Let p x1 comma y1 be any point on the circle. Here we have to find a slope. What is the first slope for 2 points? Cp is equal to slope of 2 points. If 2 points are given, if x1 y1 and x2 y2, 2 points are given, then slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here c is minus g comma minus f and p x1 y1. Then cp slope is y2 minus y1. Here y1 minus of minus f divided by x2 minus x1. x1 minus of minus g, which is equal to y1 plus f by x1 plus g. This is the slope and equation of normal. Point slope formula. Point slope for y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here y minus y1 is equal to, here m is nothing but slope. Slope is Cp. Slope is Cp here. Y1 plus f by x1 plus g of x minus x1. Now from this, y minus y1 of x1 plus g, cross multiplication here, is equal to y1 plus f of x minus x1, which implies y1 plus f of x minus x1 minus of y minus y1 of x1 plus g is equal to 0. This is the equation of normal. This is the equation of normal. I am repeating here. First we have to find a Cp. Cp is nothing but slope. Slope of 2 points is defined as m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Next, equation of slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Then y minus y1 is equal to, here m is y1 plus f by x1 plus g of x minus x1. Then y minus y1 into x1 plus g is equal to y1 plus f into x minus x1. This is the equation of normal. For example, find the equation of normal. For example, find the equation of normal. Find the equation of normal. Equation of a normal. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. Plus 11 is equal to 0. At the point 3 comma 2. At the point 3 comma 2. Also find other point. Also find other point. Solution. What is given here? Circle equation is given and point is given. We have to find equation of normal. Also find other point. So, circle P x1 comma y1 be any point. Here x1 comma y1 is 3 comma 2. This is the center. Given equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 1 is equal plus 11 is equal to 0. Here the center is 2gx. Comparing with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Comparing with these two, here 2g is equal to minus 4. Here x coefficient 2g. Here x coefficient is minus 4. And 2f is equal to minus 6. From this, g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 3. Now, we have to find the equation of normal. Since equation of normal is this thing, y1 plus of x minus x1, y1 plus of x minus x1 minus y minus y1 of x1 plus g is equal to 0. This is the formula for equation of normal. Here point is given. Point is center is minus 2 minus 3. The point is x1 comma y1. So y1 is x1 y1. Here it x is 3 comma, which is equal to 3 comma 2 here. Here x1 equal to 3 and y1 is equal to 2. So y1 is 2 plus f. Substitute f in this. F minus 3 of x minus x1. X minus, here x1 is 3 minus y minus y1. Y minus 2 of x1 plus g. Here x1 is 3 plus g. G is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0. Which implies plus into minus minus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 of x minus 3 minus of y minus 2 into plus into minus minus, here 3 minus 2 is 1 is equal to 0. So from this minus x minus into minus plus 3 minus y minus 2 minus plus 2 is equal to 0. Then minus x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. From this, taking minus as common, x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Is the equation of normal. X plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 is the required equation of normal. Next we have to find the other point. Other point means let Q A comma B be the other point. Let Q A comma B be other point on the circle. Other point on the circle. So here center C is a midpoint of PQ. From the diagram, what we observe? C is a midpoint of PQ. Formula for midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Here center C is a midpoint of PQ. C is the midpoint of PQ. That center C is here center C minus G comma minus F, that is 2 comma 3. So center is equal to, that is C is equal to PQ here. C is 2 comma 3, which is equal to P comma Q, that is midpoint of PQ. Formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So A plus 3 here, A plus 3 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, B plus 2 by 2 implies here equating the coordinates. 2 is equal to A plus 3 by 2, equating first coordinate. Next I am equating second coordinates. 3 is equal to B plus 2 by 2. You know, B plus 2 by 2. Now here 2 is equal to A plus 3 by 2, which implies 2 into 2 4 is equal to A plus 3. From this A is equal to 4 minus 3 1. Also 3 is equal to B plus 2 by 2. 3 is equal to B plus 2 by 2. Here 3 into 2, 6 is equal to B plus 2. Then B is equal to 6 minus 2, 4. Therefore, Q required point is Q A comma B is equal to Q 1 comma 4. Is the solution. Next concept is chord of contact. Chord of contact. Let us take x-axis and y-axis, and then this circle. S is equal to, general form of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. At the center is minus g comma minus f. The tangents are P. So A and B. A and B. Now see, general form of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here PA and PB are the tangents of a circle. Now tangents drawn from P to A and P to B, then secant AB, secant, this is secant AB is called a chord of contact. Secant AB is called a chord of contact. These are the tangents. PA and PB are the tangents of a circle. Now equation of chord of contact is, S1 is equal to 0. Equation of chord of contact is S1 is equal to 0. S1 is equal to 0 is nothing but xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 is equal to 0. Now I am repeating, if tangents PA and PB are the tangents, if tangents drawn from P to A and P to B, then secant AB is called the chord of contact. Equation of chord of contact is S1 is equal to 0. Example on this. Find chord of contact. Find chord of contact of the point 2 comma 5 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now the solution is, what is the formula for chord of contact? S1 is equal to, equation of chord of contact is S1 is equal to 0. This is the formula for chord of contact. What is S1 here? xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Now here the x1 and y1 are given in the question. x1 comma y1 is 2 comma 5 here. G comma f is here comparing with the general form of a circle. Here 2g is equal to minus 5 and 2f is equal to 4. Then g is equal to minus 5 by 2. F is equal to 2. F is equal to 2. Here all values substitute in this. Then x into here x1 is 2 plus y into y1 is 5 plus g of here g is minus 5 by 2 of x plus x1. X plus x1 is 2 plus f of 2 of y plus y1. Y plus 5 plus c. Here c is equal to minus 2 here. Minus 2 is equal to 0. From this x into 2 2x plus 5y plus into minus 5 by 2 of x plus 2 plus 2y plus 10 plus 1 to minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2 is equal to 0. From this, here overall LCM is 2. LCM is 2 here. 2 into 2, 4x plus 5 into 2, 10y minus 5 of x plus 2, 5 of x plus 2 plus 2y. Here LCM is 2 na. 2 into 2, 4y plus 10 into 2, 20 minus 2 into 2, 4 is equal to 0, which implies 4x plus 10y minus 5x minus 10 minus here plus 4y plus 10 minus 10 plus 4y plus 20 minus 4 16 is equal to 0, which implies 4x minus 5x minus x plus 10y plus 4y plus 14y minus 4x minus 5x minus x, 10y plus 4y 14y. Next constants are minus 10 plus 16 plus 6 is equal to 0, which implies minus common here, x minus 14y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the equation of chord of contact.